I'm Monster 1970, and today I'm going to be cleaning up these exhaust pipes on the 1983 Honda Shadow VT750C. As you can see, this one here has got a lot of soot on it because I was having problems with the misfiring on the front cylinder. Now that I've got that issue resolved, I'm going to go and clean these up. So let's get started. I'm going to be using some of these car polishing pads, 6-inch buffering wheel for a drill. These are from Polywell Abrasives. Part number for this kit, X002BBUBZ. I think I got these off Amazon. And it came with this part that goes on the drill. It's got Velcro on it. It came with 2 of those. So I'm going to use this along with this Bimbo's Extreme metal polish. I got this from a car show. I think the Carlisle car show this past year. Claim it's supposed to be really good. I'm going to try it on here. I'm going to see if I can get the stain off of the bluing off the chrome pipe at the top too. I don't think it's going to come off, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to go and I'm going to spray some of this Super Clean on here, and I'm going to wash it off and then dry it. I'm going to put a couple drops on here. That's more than a couple drops. See how it comes out. Let that sit for a little bit. I'm going to try to get in here with a pad and do up here. Nope, that's a little too much. I'm going to put some on this. I'm going to let that sit on there for a little bit. And I'll come back and buff that off. So let me take a look at this front pipe. I don't know if you can see this front pipe is pretty discolored up here. I'm going to see if I can bring any of that back. Way too much on there again. I'm going to try some of this on this side cover plate also. See if I can get that any cleaner. I don't know if that came out any better or not. Cover's pretty rough. Okay, well I'm going to go back to the rear one and wipe that off and see if I can buff it out. Here I am at the back one again. I'm going to wipe this off. I'm going to go and use this buffing wheel. So I'm going to take this off. See how this goes. Let's go back up to the front one and see if I can do anything with that. I'm going to start down here. Wipe this off. Let me see if I can get up to the front here. Try polishing up here. It's better than what it was. Well, here they are after I got them polished. And if you can tell the difference between the before and after. It was definitely dark up in here from all that soot, but they seem to be cleaner now. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Along with the side cover. Side cover is what it is. But hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.